Good morning. Today is quarantine day 32 for me. So I can't believe it's been that long and I'm running out of things to do. So I figured I would just set up my camera and make a little vlog. So I am basically just gonna be cleaning today. I'm gonna do my nails because I haven't done them in a while. I bought a dip kit from Sally's right before all this happened, and I've done it 3 times and it's worked pretty well. So I'm gonna just show you how I do that. It's super simple, and that's just gonna be my day today. Like, I've just been cleaning and finding new little hobbies and spending time with this one. So that's about it. I'm just gonna kind of take you guys along my day. It might be kind of boring because it's day 32, but we'll see how it goes. There you go. Sweet girl. Okay, what did we get? Okay, so I thought I'd share what I got. I ordered this a while ago. Shipping has been kind of slow, but that's okay. So I got a Sex Bomb bath bomb. This is my most favorite one. If you like anything floral or rosy, you'll love this. I love it. There he is. So nice. Got the rose jam shower gel. I tried a little mini of this last time we were there and I loved it. This smells just like roses, but it's not like an old lady rose smell. And then I haven't tried this before. I'm excited to try it, but it's the same scent as this, but it's a bubble bar. I'm assuming this just makes your bath really bubbly and smell good. I'm a little worried about that glitter though. I really would love to not have to clean up glitter off of my bathtub, but yeah, I'm excited. I love this, and I'm excited to try that for sure. Okay, Sam. You gonna help me with the laundry? Probably not, right? It's okay. Hi, baby. Hey, can you give me your paw? Paw? Come on, I know you can. Paw. Good girl. Good job, baby. Good job. Good job. Look at that tail. Who is that, baby? Who is that sweet girl? Who is that? Who's home? Oh, here he comes! Here he comes! There he is. Hello. There he is. Okay, let's go get him. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. Come here. He's home. Hello. Okay, I'm back. It's a little bit later. Andrew got home. We hung out. We folded laundry, we made dinner, we ate dinner, and now I am getting ready for bed. I'm tired, it's been a long day. Been a long day for Sammy. But I thought I'd show you guys just my skincare. I've been using Tula and I love it, so I'm gonna show you guys what I use. Okay, so these are the products. So this is just their original cleanser. I like this because I feel like it really helps to clean my skin. It gets off makeup, but it's not drying. My skin still feels soft like right after I use it. This is their toner. I'm gonna be totally honest, I'm not totally sure what this does for my skin, but I feel like it helps to exfoliate. But again, this is not drying. I know that it's alcohol free, which I like. And then this is just their 24-hour day and night moisturizer that I really love. I like this because it's kind of thick. I've got dry skin, and so this helps to moisturize my skin really well at night. If it would focus. There we go. But no, this is the little travel size mini one, but I love this so much. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I've got, actually, I just got these masks from them. They are kind of like the gel sheet masks, and I like these a lot because they stay on your face and they just leave you really hydrated and kind of glowy. And when I bought these, they were doing a thing where if you bought these, they would donate surgical masks to people who needed them. So that was really cool. But I love these. They smell nice, they're really easy to use, and they actually come in like a top and a bottom piece, so it stays on your face really, really well. So there's my little skincare spiel. But yeah, that's what I use. All right, y'all, it is bedtime. Sammy's pawing at me. Got The Office. It is lights out time. I might do another one of these tomorrow. Maybe we'll see how I'm feeling. Again, today was not very exciting. We just cleaned and hung out and that was about it. But anyway, thanks for watching.